this is Zoe from BMF, and today I'm going to help you run through a little vocal warm-up. So, first thing we got to do is stretch our bodies a little bit, because when your body is nice and loose and free of tension, it's a lot easier. Take a nice deep breath than if your body is tight. It's harder to breathe. So we're going to relax our body. So first, we're going to take our shoulders. We're going to move them in a circle. So we're going to move them in a circle forwards first. We're going to go 3 times. Here we go. First time, 1 circle. 2 circles. On the 3rd circle, we're going to stretch as far forward with our fingies as we can. Ooh, nice big stretch. Take a deep breath. And release. And now we're going to move backwards. So we're going to take our shoulders. We're going to move them that way. 1 stretch backwards. 2 stretches backwards. 3rd stretch. Move your fingies as far back as you can. Take a deep breath. And release. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to move our head in a circle. So we're going to go this way first. This is my left hand. We're going to move towards this left hand. So the first thing you're going to do, you're going to put your head down, and then you're going to move it in a circle towards this left hand 3 times. First time. 2nd time. 3rd time. Let it hang at the bottom. Take a nice deep breath. And as you breathe out, bring your head back to the center. We're going to do the same thing with, you guessed it, going to the right. So now you're going to put your head down again. You're going to move in a circle towards your right hand 1 time. Ooh, my neck cracked 2 times. And on the 3rd time, you're going to let your head hang downwards. Feel a nice stretch in the back of your neck. Take a deep breath. And come back up and maybe brush your hair out of your face if you have a lot of hair like me. So, next thing we're going to do. Can you think of a sound that uses your lips and your teeth? There's a couple different ones that we can use. You can go like a vrooming car. You can go like a buzzing bee. You could go like a humming hummingbird. So take a second. Think of the sound you want to use. Do you know which one you want to use? Great. So now we're going to take that sound and we're going to put it in a warm-up. So listen carefully. These are the notes that we're going to sing using this sound that you just picked. I am going to use the buzz sound. I'm going to buzz like a bee. You could be a humming hummingbird or a vrooming car. But I'm going to buzz like a bee. Here we go. Let's keep it going. Just a couple more. If it gets too high, you can always drop out. Great job! We went from down here to all the way up here. Remember, when we're warming up our voices, if ever anything feels a little too low or a little too high, you can always stop and listen and jump back in when it feels right, okay? So now, we're going to do one that I know everybody likes. Mommy made me mash my M&Ms. Have you heard this one? Mommy made me mash my M&Ms. I cried. Have you heard that one before? Let's listen one more time. Mommy made me mash my M&Ms. I cried. And you hear how on the I cried, there's a slide. I cried. So let's do it together. We're gonna go down from here. Here we go. Mommy made me mash my M&Ms. I cried. Mommy made me mash my M&Ms. I cried. Mommy made me mash my M&Ms. I cried. Last one. Nice. All right. So for the next one, we're going to try making up our own. We'll only do a few of them because this is kind of tricky. So these are the notes we're going to do. You might have heard them from earlier. Listen one more time. Can you think of some words that would fit nicely here? I'll give you an example. My student says, I like every kind of chocolate. Or maybe something like, my dog's name is Spot. I don't know. You can put your dog or cat or turtle or bunny's name in there. Or your imaginary friend's name. I don't know. So, think of something that fits in there. Oh, cool. No way. Tell me that again. That's awesome. You know, if you want, you could send us a video of that. That would be really cool. BMF would love to hear the custom warm-up that you just made. All right, my friends, that's all I got for right now. We'd love to hear from you, so if you want to show us your custom warm-up, feel free to send us a video, and we'll catch you back here again soon.